Hey, I'm Jaime from the Crafters Workshop, and you are here at, where are we? We're at the Mixed Media Show, Summer 2018 in Utah. And I'm here with our latest and greatest new rustic decor stencils. They're perfect for all of your sign needs if you want to get that really fun farmhouse look. I'm sure you've seen the DIY channels doing all that great stuff with like Chip and Joanna and the shiplap. Well, we're bringing it to you now. You can have these gorgeous stencils to help you make your own signs, whether it's for your kitchen, if you wanted to say coffee bar, market, or your front entry area, you wanted to say welcome. And then, of course, there's stuff for Christmas with Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, Peace on Earth, and Merry and Bright. And, of course, there's Let It Snow, too, which on the East Coast, we really don't want to say that too often, but yet it will come. So this is what we've got going on. It's so easy to use. Just sponge through with either paint, or we like to use our light and fluffy white modeling paste, which is nice and clean. And there you have it, a gorgeous sign. I have some gorgeous stencils here from Carmen Medlin. She has an amazing new line. Always whimsical, always fun, and always right on trend. Everything from I Believe in Unicorns to Save the Drama for Your Llama. Can't get enough of that. She's got some great harvest stencils and snowman, angels, and of course some really pretty florals that just make any scrapbook page, any card just pop. You can use these on walls, you can use them for home decor, on pillows, tablecloths, table runners, floor tiles. The sky's the limit. She's just got a great look. I hope you'll pick some up and send some love her way. I'm here with Gabrielle Polacco's new designs. She's got 4 great ones out, and in true Gabrielle way, there's a little bit of everything. Perfect for mixed media. You really can't put Gabrielle in a box. She just is so versatile. She's got a great new blueprint look, a mystical tree, kind of a tree of life look, flowers and some birds and butterflies, always pretty. Something for a card, something for a layout, something for a mixed media project. You just can't go wrong. And of course she has other great things out there in the marketplace, some stamps that coordinate with it, so keep your eyes open for Gabby's work. She is amazing. I've got some new stencils from Marlene. She is a wonderful artist from South Africa, now living in the Netherlands, so she's got a very eclectic look. I always think it's sort of this fun European funky look. As you can see, she made some great samples to go along with it. Her colors are whimsical and colorful. Her designs are flowy and pretty. This bunch of designs, she left spaces for you to put either a message if it's a card, or a title if it's a scrapbook layout. Not to mention you could do Zen doodling inside it. She just has a great eye. So hope you'll love these as much as we do, and we'll see you soon. And I have here Rebecca Meyer's new stencils, and we know there are a lot of Rebecca groupies out there, and she once again has come out with a great line, starting with 2 of her new mandalas. I know people absolutely collect her mandalas. They love them to pieces, so there are 2 more. And then she just has kind of grunge goes pretty. I love how you can take one of Rebecca's stencils, it can have that really down and dirty, grungy, kind of shabby chic look, and it always comes out pretty. So if you're not quite sure how to get that look, Rebecca will hold you by the hand and take you right there. One of my favorites is at the bottom here with the leaf collection. Again, I love it. She does all the work for you. You just put it on your layout or on your card, and you know exactly where each piece goes. It just has great balance, great look, and you know, it's got that artistic feel that you're going for. So yay, Rebecca Meyer, nice release, and I hope you'll like it as much as we do. Take care.